I'm standing here next to an agave plant, also known as maguey in Spanish. This particular plant is native to the Sonoran Desert, so the Native Americans didn't have to go to the supermarket to buy these materials. They gathered them out in the desert, but you had to know how to prepare them. First of all, when you cut the plant, when you cut the leaves, you have to be very careful not to get in touch with your skin, this part of the plant, which is very caustic. It can actually make you itchy, and it can be, some people can have allergic reactions to them. Then, in order to process this plant, you have to burn the plant right on top of the fire, on the flame, or on coals, until you change the chemical composition of the plant when it's alive. So therefore, you can actually scrape by using a rock and scrape all that meat out of the plant until you discover all the fibers. These fibers are quite strong and quite useful. So once you have it like this, you can turn it into a rope, just like this, by twisting the fibers or fluffing the entire leaf just like this. The process of making the rope, you have to fluff up all the fibers like this, so it's easy to let it go when you are twisting. So now you need an additional person to hold the taravilla, making a little loop right here, and then start twisting, and we are going to start making a rope. So this is very important to get it going, and as the twist keeps going, the rope is going into a very, very strong twist, forming one part of the rope. So in this case, all the fibers are lining up into a string that can actually be very, very strong. This part is the most difficult one right here, letting go the right amount so you can actually twist it into one single string. Now once you do this, this is going in one direction. Now we're going to demonstrate how we can twist it. If we continue going, now you can see that it's a very even string, but it's only in one direction. So what we're going to do now, we're going to double it, and by doubling, now we're going to go backwards, the opposite direction. And what is happening here, the rope is being made just like any rope you buy in the store. Nylon rope, steel cable is done the exact same way. This is physics. There. Now this piece of rope is so strong that it's very difficult to break just like this.